Hey guys, Greg here with Quantum Phaser TV, and first off I'd like to say thank you very much to all my new subscribers. We just crossed the 205 mark as of today, and we passed the 200 threshold a few days ago. So to all my new subscribers, welcome, and everyone else who's watching this video or visiting the channel for the first time, welcome also. If you have a look around and you see some interest on this channel that you like, please hit that subscribe button and help me out. And so now on to the unboxing. What we have here today is the very amazing Panasonic DC-FZ80 Lumix camera. And this camera has an unbelievable 60 power zoom lens and also can shoot 4K video. And also for it I purchased a 128 gigabyte Samsung card. This is actually a micro SD card. It's the Evo Plus and has a write speed of about 90 megabytes per second. Supposedly this is good enough for 4K video for this camera. That's something we'll be testing out. So this video will be just the unboxing, and in the future video, which probably I'll shoot tomorrow, I will be reviewing this camera. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you have the subscribe on and the notification bell on. That way you'll be notified when I post the review on this camera. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. Did not come in a plastic wrapper. I actually ordered this through Amazon, and this was $297 plus tax. And that's just for the bare bones camera. Of course, you're going to need the memory card, and the memory card for this particular one was about $30. So what we have in here, we've got a plastic wrap or a styrofoam wrap, and there we have the camera. So move that out of the way for the moment. You guys have a good look at it. So they actually ship it with the lens cap not attached to it. I guess that's unusual. So we'll pick this up in a minute, and we'll put it on here. And in addition, we have the manual, and we've also got the Lumix carry strap, and that's the adapter plug for charging. And let's see, there's going to be a battery, and two other items. This would be the lens cap, which kind of looks small, but I guess it goes on the inside of the lens, and one standard USB micro cable which attaches to the charger. And that's it. That's all we have in the box. And basically get the battery in here. And we'll see if it has enough charge to power on, and it does. So that is your zoom lens for you. I will be doing a full review on this camera later, and I'll also be taking this camera with me to Raleigh when I do a little bit of video footage with the Mavic Pro drone. So make sure you're subscribed so you see that video. That's probably going to be posting tomorrow or the day after. But we'll be giving a good try out on this camera to see what kind of capabilities it has. So that's it for the unboxing. I know this is a short one, but I've got to hop in the car because I will be going to Raleigh tonight and getting some night aerial footage with the Mavic Pro, and that'll be my first time filming Raleigh by air. So hope you stay tuned with me and have a look at that. Probably be posting that, if not very late in the morning, wee hours, or I could be posting that tomorrow. So either way, it's going up soon. Alright guys, so that concludes the unboxing for this awesome Panasonic DC-FZ80 camera under the Lumix label. Definitely the 20 to 1200 millimeter zoom range will be very cool to test out. The fact that the camera is very lightweight, built-in flash, looks like it has a lot of manual modes to it but can still shoot in full auto. Looks like this would be a great Christmas present for someone in your family who is into photography and wants something a little bit better than just your average point and shoot, but not quite ready for moving up to the DSLR, or just doesn't want to carry a DSLR. So there's a wide market for this camera, and it's one of the few cameras that I saw while I was researching that had a phenomenal zoom range and good quality photos and had a reasonable price point to it. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, and hopefully that'll be we'll see each other in Raleigh from the sky. Thanks for watching. This is Greg with Quantum Phaser, out.